It's April 16th, 2023. The grape hyacinth latifolium flowers are opening now. You can see there's quite a few flower spikes. Here's the Persian pearl tulips. Looks like some of the flowers are opening now. I think because it was raining, the flowers are closed now. And over here's the glory of the snow. That single flower has faded. Here's the summer snowflakes, lots of growth. Grape hyacinth, lots of flowers are now opening. I could probably cut some for indoor. They look really nice. Daffodil, still no flowers. Peony, you can see it's growing really quickly. A lot more leaves now. They're getting quite tall too. Lavender, lots more leaf growths. We're probably going to see some flowers soon. Catnip, also growing quite rapidly. The grape buds are definitely getting bigger. You can see this bud over here has opened. Over here's the blueberry, lots of new growth. I'll just show you, here are some of the flowers that's going to open pretty soon. And here's a cluster of flowers that's also going to open soon. Looks like the green onion is also flowering. Rhubarb flower spikes are getting taller. I could probably cut them off so it focuses on leaf growth instead of flowers. Here's the mulberry. The buds have started to open. You can see the leaves now. And the asparagus are sprouting. You can see these nice purple asparagus sprouts. You could probably harvest these for consumption. Here you can see a tiny purple asparagus sprouts. Here's another big one. This is quite big. Raspberry, you can see a lot more growths. The beet, also a lot of leaf growth. Looks like it's sprouting a lot from the top. And the broccolini is also sending out a lot of flowers. And here's the striped squill. The flowers are fading now. Hydrangea looks about the same. I'm still not seeing flower formation yet, but lots of new growths from the base and also from the year-old branches. Here's the serviceberry. You can see the buds have opened and there are some flowers. It didn't flower last year, but it's flowering this year. And then we have the lily of the valley. You can see the sprouts. The buds have opened. You can see the leaves now. Here's a few more of the lily of the valley sprouts. Here you can see a few more with the flower on the right. Lastly, the fifth flower from the Phalaenopsis has opened. So now we have 5 flowers. Looks like the 6th one is going to open pretty soon.